In recent times, the Linus Media Group, LMG, has been embroiled in a whirlwind of controversy, prompting a series of videos and responses from various parties. What will be portrayed aims to dissect the intricate details of this ongoing situation, delving into key events, the response of stakeholders, and the broader implications for the tech community. The saga commenced with a thought-provoking video by Steve from Gamers Nexus, where he scrutinized LMG's ethical and professional responsibilities. Steve expressed serious concerns and aimed to raise awareness regarding critical issues within LMG's operations. A member of the Linus Tech Tips (LTT) team quickly responded on the LTT forums, offering an emotional take on the situation. This heartfelt response set the stage for a series of further developments. Linus Media Group didn't stay silent for long. Linus himself released a news video dissecting Steve's critique and providing a comprehensive response. This marked the beginning of an escalating exchange between the two parties. In a strategic move, Taryn Tong, the new CEO of LMG, stepped into the spotlight. The morning after Linus's response video, Taryn Tong released a video indirectly addressing the key criticisms made by Steve. The video aimed to address community concerns and underscore LMG's commitment to change. Adding a layer of complexity, a former employee of LMG took to social media to reveal her negative experience within the company. She discussed mental health issues, inappropriate comments, and a toxic atmosphere. Although not addressed in the CEO's video, this revelation brought a significant aspect of the situation to light. Within the whirlwind of the Linus Media Group, LMG, controversy lies of pressing concern, rushed content creation, and ethical implications. Continuing on delves us into the heart of the issue, dissecting the impact of hurried content and its ethical ramifications on the tech community. The controversy centers around LMG's rapid content production, leading to concerns about data accuracy and ethical standards. A compilation video released of employee comments highlights the tension between the demand for quick releases and maintaining data precision. LMG's pursuit of swift content delivery has at times led to the release of videos containing erroneous data. This raises ethical questions about knowingly publishing misleading information, particularly when public trust is at stake. Linus himself acknowledges this tension between speed and accuracy. With LMG producing an array of content across multiple channels, the volume of videos appears overwhelming. An in-depth analysis reveals that the actual number of substantial videos is more limited than it initially seems. This highlights LMG's strategy of producing content for growth and revenue, despite the potential drawbacks. Rushed content often results in limited time for comprehensive testing and data validation. This lack of thorough review can lead to errors that undermine the credibility of the content. Balancing the pressure for timely releases with the need for accurate data emerges as a central challenge. LMG's growth-oriented approach is not without its consequences. Striking the right balance between content quantity and quality is imperative. A case in point is the clash between accurate data collection and ethical content creation, which underscores the importance of responsible content production. In the face of these challenges, LMG's response has been a blend of addressing the problem and promising corrective measures. The organization has acknowledged the concerns raised and has engaged an external third-party investigator to examine the allegations. The Linus Media Group controversy spotlights the complexities of content creation in the digital age. Balancing rapid content delivery with ethical responsibility is a multifaceted challenge. As the tech community navigates these intricacies, an emphasis on accurate data collection, responsible content creation, and consumer trust emerges as paramount. The ongoing discourse underscores the need for reflection and change within the industry to ensure that the pursuit of growth does not overshadow ethical integrity.